there are very few things in life more intimate or profound than inviting someone to our table. The care and love that go into preparing that meal literally becomes a part of them. So for me, cooking is just another love language. It's another way to show and tell someone that you love and care for them. Now I get that many of us cook because it's a necessary evil, or we cook because we like things that taste good, or we cook to alleviate the pain in our bellies. All of those are legitimate reasons for cooking, no less legitimate than this love language one. This channel, however, is meant for those of us who already speak this language or for those of us who want to learn how to speak this love language. That's my intent for this channel. Now, you're going to hear me say this a lot because I mean it. I consider it a privilege to be able to share one of my passions with you. Thanks for letting me do that. And thanks for watching.